I'm going to send this one to ChuckE 2009, and he's going to break it for me. I always love it when people stop by and then you put a hammer in their hand and just watch. I don't know, kind of like, I know it changed my life when it happened to me, so. All right, back over and right there.
All right, right here?
Yeah, that'd be great. All right, now take it up to the top right here.
All right.
She's all done. I could clean her up a little bit, but honestly, I think she looks cool hand forged like that. I still need a maker's mark. I don't have a maker's mark yet. I gotta get one. If anyone knows where I can get a good maker's mark, that'd be something I'd be very interested in. Or if one of you guys is skilled at making maker's mark, I'd love to purchase one from you. Just let me know. But once again, show them how it's done. There you go. Well, she's done, and she's ready to ship out for testing. I'm going to send this one to ChuckE 2009, and he's going to break it for me. I hope it doesn't break. It probably will break, though. I mean, I've never forged anything like this, but essentially, that is a force multiplier like a sun gun, guys. Sometimes those bigger nuts get froze more, so what do you know? It fits the big guys, too. It's kind of universal. It's not going to fit something tiny, but even if you've got a small socket like or ratchet like this, it's still gonna, you can still use it on there. I mean, you can still break with that. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description. You guys got to go watch the test video. It's gonna be awesome. One of my favorite YouTubers is testing this thing out, and I just can't wait to see what happens. Like, I'm a little nervous, but you know, I don't know. I've got no skin in this game. It was a fun day of making a tool that is really, really hard to find, and I'm hoping that that spring steel holds up. But if anyone's gonna find out, it's gonna be ChuckE 2009. So make sure you go subscribe to his channel, and when you do, you'll see why he has, I don't know, almost 300,000 subscribers. Go check out ChuckE's channel. Tell him that Justin from the Good of the Land sent you, and watch that video. It's going to be cool. Later.